Hello everyone, today we will be doing a 2019 revisit of the Belanger Kondor at the Shell station in Aurora. This video is dedicated to Michael Walters' Roblox mode because he actually been through the wash last year. So I will put the link in the description below if you want to see his channel and the video of the Belanger Kondor that he went to. So anyways, since I didn't do a before video last time, I'll be doing a before and after video to see how the wash did. So anyways, you can see a little bit of stuff on the windshield. The car is a little bit clean but a little bit dirty as well, so you can see this too. This as well, tires look a little bit dirty, but mostly clean. The doors too, you can see a little bit of like mud that we hit the mud spot and stuff like that. Back doors is also a little bit dirty, just have some spots. Same with the back bumper too. Back windshield has a lot of spots you can see. Same with the left side, you can see, and this too. You can see the left side is a little bit dirtier, like that. That here, and that here, and the mirrors too. The last wash we had gotten this car is at the Shell station on Highway 7 in Woodbine Avenue in Markham, and that's a few days ago. So anyways, I'm not at the Shell station yet. I'm going to start it up again as soon as we get to the car wash. So see you then. So here we are at the Shell station right now. Someone's getting their wash right now. He's getting the second pass of pre-soak, now it's to move the front. Here's the signage. It looks like it's a Belanger signage. And here's the code machine where you swipe for ultimate car wash part. What we are about to do. Someone's getting the high pressure rinse right now, so I don't think he got the ultimate wash because after the pre-soak it should do the tri-foam. You can hear the pressure washer. Like that. Now it's doing the opposite side. Interesting that you can hear the pressure washer where we are here more clearly. Well, the sign is telling me to wait and see the code machine, so I'm going to start it up again as soon as the guy's out of the wash bay. Okay, so the guy's going to have the dryers right now. It's about to tell me to enter in my code. So use the ultimate car wash pass that you see if I'm holding my hand. Okay, it tells me to enter the code, but the code machine says enough. Now I can. So here we go. There we go. Doors open. Tell me to enter in. Now here we go. And I'm running out of time off of blasters. Oh, there we go. And that for wash begin. A double foam. Didn't do well on the sides. You can see. Same with the windshield. Here we go. I'll pull away from there and see how the wash had did. Someone's going through the wash right now, you can see. So anyways, I'll stop right here. Put the thing in park. And get out and see how the wash had done. So the trying to get well on the side, not well on the back. But I cleaned the dirty spots, except this spot here a little bit. A little bit of soap on the back windshield, you can see. And the back, and the drive didn't do well here. Cleaned the tires really well as well. And you get all those dirty spots, and that's the main thing. So, and it's done well on the front except the tires. So, once again, I highly recommend this Belanger Kondor at the Shell Station in Aurora. You can see Mark with a Racing Mark 360, and also with a Mark 7 Choice Wash X tape I've been through 2 weeks ago or so. So anyways, I think that'll be it for me. Thank you so much for watching as always. Hope you enjoyed this video, and that will be it.